Now, to get to this screen took approximately a little under 5 minutes. Okay, but what we need to do is go into the utilities and make sure that we erase the hard disk. So we're going to go into disk utility. Because it's Virtualbox that we're using to install it, we have to format it correctly. And you want to make sure that you are choosing the Virtualbox hard disk only, not the CD-ROM. This is the ISO for the operating system, and this is the Virtualbox. So you want to format it macOS extended. You see how it's uninitialized? So we're going to go to click on it, erase, macOS extended journaled, and we're going to call this Sierra HD. Done. Exit out. Now we can continue and select the disk that we want to install it on. I have to accept the agreement. Now we have a hard disk available to install it on. There's the CD-ROM. Here we go. Now it will be installed there. Now this process does take more than half an hour, so just be prepared. It starts off at low minutes and then it rises higher because the whole process is anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on which version of macOS you're installing. We shall return.